Okay, about to do a spark test on this Chinese 50cc ATV. So I've got a battery temporarily hooked up. I have a spare plug, which I'll just ground against the exhaust or the frame, and we should be able to see if we get spark. But I also noticed that down here, the connection to the starter is ridiculously loose. So we're going to stop, we'll secure this, and hook up the switch and see if we can get some spark. Okay, we've gone through. I've firmed up this connection here on the starter. Battery's temporarily hooked up. I've got the body panel has a switch in it here. Switch is connected into the harness down there. And we've got this plug grounded, and let's take a look. If I bump it, if we get any spark. And that is fantastic. That is exactly what we want to see. And so the next step will be a carb rebuild, and we'll bolt it back together, see if we can get this thing running.